Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to remove non-genuine message from Windows 7 and make Office 2007 genuine. It's straightforward, anybody can do it, and if you follow this instruction then you can do it yourself. First thing we do is basically we've got here a VMware workstation. As you can see, is installed Windows 7 Ultimate. If I try it from here, Windows 7 Ultimate, and you can see straight away Windows 7 build 760. This copy of Windows is not genuine. So what they do is Microsoft basically, if you go here, start and right click my computer and say property, similar things will come here. What they do is whatever you try to download anything or any update at all, they will sneak something like this KB971033, which is, they will check if you've got genuine software or so. So if I say view, as you can see, update for Windows KB971033, this is what they do, and then next time the system restarts, this is what you see, and it's very annoying. You cannot even change the background is always black and so. So what we're going to do is basically just download a tiny software from my server and just remove it straight away. Then after we do that, what we're going to do is we'll just make a Windows Office 2007 genuine. I already downloaded the file. It's in here. Let's see, cracks here. If I just open, it's called Remove WAT. It's made by a gentleman called Chito Chato. You probably know. You need WinRAR. That's it. Just double click, and once it comes up, then the only thing we need to do is just say really remove WAT. Click that one. It says when it's complete you will need to reset your system. Okay, that's not a problem at all. It's trying to do remove, says working. Very straightforward. The installation now is complete. Press OK to reboot. We'll just say OK, and we'll just wait until the Windows Ultimate comes back and see what happens. As you can see, as soon as the Windows comes back, you don't have that a message which says not genuine. And the first thing you need to do is just right click here, and we're just going to change the background and just say, just put it this one, the original one, Windows 7. Before we couldn't even change because every time something was popping up. And beautiful, as you can see it. I mean, it doesn't make a genuine window, but you can download anything. Just removes all these things. All right, to test, what we need to do is let's go to the internet and try to download something like Windows Media Player or so and so from Microsoft. So if I write here Windows Media Player 11 or 12, you can download anything. If I say here, I'm just going to Microsoft.com here, and once it comes up, we'll just try to download really. And most of the time they'll just ask you, alright, it says there's no download available for this window, so why don't we try something else? Let's download for Windows XP. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. I mean, you don't see. Alright, it says here Windows Player for XP, blah blah blah. It says validation required. So if our system doesn't pass, it means that it's not genuine. So let's try. Say continue, and something will probably pop up yet, and just say yeah, it's fine. Install this one. We've got a genuine window, although we don't have a genuine window. And let's see if it's allowing us to download. I'm installing the genuine stuff. It doesn't matter. You can try any file or any download for Windows 7 or Windows XP or so and so. It doesn't matter. Someone might say, oh, this is only for Windows XP, but it doesn't matter. As long as we can download, that will be absolutely fine. Alright, just click here. And let's try to download. Let's try to download that file, which allowing us to download anything we want. So once the download finishes, it might allow us, it might not allow us. We'll just have to wait and see. So almost finishing media player. Now it does allow us actually to download the media player. Then it's absolutely fine. There's no problem at all. It just passes. You can update. You can do whatever you like. It's straightforward. And we can install anything. As you can see, here we go. Windows Media Player. You download it. So you can download anything you want. It doesn't matter. I don't want to download. All right, that's straightforward. What it does is it removes these things, and it will never allow, even though we've got KB971 still installed. Let's check. If you go here, view update history, it's still here, or we can still download. It's not a problem at all. Alright, second thing we need to do is we've got here Office. We've got Office installed, Word and everything. The first thing we need to do is let's go to the internet and see if it's genuine or not. Just right here, genuine, and just say Google search. The first thing you see is Microsoft genuine testing, which is very annoying. Of what it said, validate Windows and Office. We don't need the Windows. We know now the Windows is okay. Validate Office. You have to just download something. Pops up here. Doesn't matter. Validating. Straight away it says, "Oops, it's not genuine." It says money customer blah 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 blah. This is not genuine. You want to buy it for £99, which is about $150, and we just say no, thank you. And let's just keep this one running. Just go to the file. The Microsoft already installed. This file is available to download from this small file. It's available to download from the description. So if I go to Crux, this Office made under a registry. Double click this one. Are you sure? Just say yes. Key and the value, add it there. Okay. Just go back. Alright, let's just go back like this. To just make sure to refresh it. Or we can just say Google. Google.com. And say genuine. Go back. Office. Validate. Bingo. Validation successful. It's done it straight away. As I said before, the file is available to download from my server, and then here the two files. This one you need WinRAR to your system, and this is Office. Straightforward. Feel free to leave any comments, anything you might like, and we might do some other in the future. Okay, I'll leave you, and I'll see you later.